Full kale meal plan: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. In recent years, kale has gained immense popularity as a nutritious superfood, acclaimed for its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you are looking to incorporate kale into your diet and maintain a healthy lifestyle, a full kale meal plan can provide you with several options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. We are going to outline a comprehensive guide to creating a flavorful and nutritious kale-based meal plan. Starting with breakfast, one option is to make a kale and mushroom omelet. Begin by sautéing a handful of sliced mushrooms in a pan with some olive oil. Then, add chopped kale leaves and cook until wilted. Beat a few eggs and pour over the vegetable mixture. Cook until the eggs are fully set, and you have a delicious kale-packed omelet ready to devour. For the lunch portion of your meal plan, kale salad with grilled chicken breast is an excellent choice. Begin by massaging some kale leaves with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. This technique helps to tenderize the kale leaves and reduce their bitterness. Top the kale with grilled chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette dressing. This refreshing and filling salad will keep you energized throughout the day. Moving on to dinner, a hearty kale and lentil soup will warm your soul. Start by sautéing chopped onions, carrots, and celery in a pot until they become tender. Then, add vegetable broth, rinsed lentils, and chopped kale leaves. Let the soup simmer until the lentils are cooked through and the flavors have melded together. Season the soup with herbs and spices of your choice, such as thyme or cumin, for an extra burst of flavor. To satisfy your snacking cravings, kale chips are a simple yet delightful option. Preheat your oven to 350° F, 175° C, and tear the kale leaves into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and any other desired seasoning, such as garlic powder or paprika. Spread the kale pieces on a baking sheet and bake for about 10-15 minutes or until they are crispy. These homemade kale chips are not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to regular potato chips. For breakfast, lunch, or dinner, kale smoothies are quick and convenient options. Blend a handful of kale leaves with a ripe banana, a cup of your preferred liquid, such as almond milk or coconut water, and any additional fruits or protein powder to your liking. This vibrant green smoothie provides a refreshing start to your day or serves as an on-the-go meal replacement. Another delicious lunch option is a kale and quinoa salad. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a bowl, combine the cooked quinoa with chopped kale, diced bell peppers, roasted chickpeas, and a light lemon tahini dressing. This flavorful salad is packed with essential nutrients and provides a satisfying meal for any time of the day. For dinner, how about a kale and sweet potato curry? Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot with some oil. Add diced sweet potatoes, vegetable broth, and your choice of spices, such as curry powder or turmeric. Allow the sweet potatoes to cook until tender, then add chopped kale and coconut milk. Simmer until the kale is wilted and the flavors are well incorporated. Serve the curry with rice or naan bread for a wholesome and satisfying meal. When it comes to snacks, another option is kale and hummus wraps. Spread hummus on a whole grain wrap and then layer kale leaves, sliced avocado, and any other desired vegetables, such as shredded carrots or cucumber. Roll it up and enjoy a nourishing and flavorful snack on the go. Finally, to end your day on a sweet note, consider a fresh fruit salad with a kale twist. In a bowl, combine various fruits like berries, grapes, and diced melon. Add in finely chopped kale leaves to give your fruit salad an extra nutrient boost. The kale adds a unique and refreshing flavor that complements the sweetness of the fruits. In conclusion, a full kale meal plan can provide you with a variety of nutritious and flavorful options for every meal and snack of the day. From a kale and mushroom omelet for breakfast to a kale and sweet potato curry for dinner, incorporating kale into your daily meals. I hope this information on a kale full meal plan was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics and tips on kale diets, kale smoothies, kale recipes, and eating healthy with kale, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's make today the start of a new chapter in our lives, called Healthy Eating for a Healthier Life.